Welcome to the Rice Krispie template tutorial. This is super easy to personalize with any theme or character. If you don't have the template yet, make sure to grab it. I'll leave the link in the description. Also, be sure to check out the other matching snack templates. Before we get started, let me quickly show you what's included in the template. First up is the design guide. This helps you understand what each shape is for. Next is the editable template, where you can change colors and designs on top of and within the shape dimensions. And lastly, you'll see a drag and drop version, perfect for adding images, patterns, or anything else you want to make it your own. Now, we're going to head to Google and find the images we want. Type in the image you're looking for, then PNG for a transparent background. I want an eraser, so that is what I'm going to search for. Then I'm going to save the image. I'm also going to look for the Snacks logo and PNG. Make sure it has a transparent background and save both, and then upload them into Canva. Once you're in Canva, you're going to upload your images that we saved. Drag and drop your main image into the safe space drag and drop shape. Then select the rest of the front of the snack and either add another pattern or change the color as the same color as the photo, as you see me doing here. Next, add your snack logo and resize it. Then rotate and adjust into place as needed. Remember, we need to hit the lock button twice in order to lock the shape so now other images can't drop into it. After, we are going to select the back panels of the snack, and I'm going to make them the same solid color that I selected for the front part of the snack. Be sure not to delete or change the glue tab guide, which is this block here. Once finished, we need to save by hitting Share, saving as a PNG or PDF, selecting the current page, and then hitting Download. Lastly, we need to print. Select Print, then we will change the paper size to US letter and select US letter borderless to ensure it prints correctly. Your very own custom Rice Krispie. I hope the tutorials and template was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on your next creation.